Today I'm performing a transmission service on this 2023 Toyota Corolla. Let's get started. First, get the vehicle safely positioned on the lift. Up she goes. To access the fill plug, remove the driver's side front wheel. Next, remove the 3 clips on the side and the 3 clips underneath. Once those are out of the way, we can access the transmission fill plug. Now let's move underneath and remove the lower splash shield. This one is held on with 7 clips and 4 10mm bolts. With the shield removed, we can clearly see both the fill plug and the drain plug. Always crack the fill plug loose first using a 24mm socket. The last thing you want is to drain the transmission and find out you can't refill it. Once the fill plug is loose, remove the drain plug using a 10mm Allen socket and let the old fluid drain. Next, remove the internal overflow tube with a 6mm Allen. This allows the remaining fluid to drain from the transmission. Once the fluid is finished draining, reinstall the overflow tube and snug it down by hand. Reinstall the drain plug and torque it to 30 foot-pounds. Now it's time to refill the transmission. This Corolla takes approximately 3.8 quarts of Toyota transmission fluid. Once filled, reinstall the fill plug and torque it to 30 foot-pounds. With the service complete, reinstall all splash shields, clips, and the driver's side wheel. Before calling it done, always perform a test drive and verify the transmission shifts smoothly through all gears. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Toyota maintenance and repair videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.